In this video, I will show you how you can screen record on your iPad 11A16 with the mic turned on. If you want to record your voice while you're doing a screen recording on your iPad, then doing that is very simple. Just open the control center on your iPad, and in the control center you will find the screen recording icon. If you cannot find the screen recording icon in the control center, then just tap and hold on anywhere on the control center, then select Add a Control. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just select screen recording, and after you do that, you will add the screen recording shortcut to the control center. Then tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Now to do a screen recording with the mic turned on, just tap and hold on the screen recording icon. Now over here, just select the microphone option and make sure that it is turned on. After you turn on the microphone, then just select start recording, and after you do that, you will start doing a screen recording on your iPad. And it will also record your voice in the screen recording. Once you're done doing the screen recording, then just tap on the red icon at the upper right corner on the screen to stop recording. And just select stop, and after you do that, you will save the screen recording in your Photos app. Just open the Photos app, and as you can see, this is the screen recording which we have done. And it will also record your voice in the screen recording. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.